The Braun 12-in-1 multifunctional food processor is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers a range of functionalities to help with various food preparation tasks. It is designed with dual control technology, which means it has two separate control panels for the chopper and the blender. This allows you to independently adjust the speed and power for each function, ensuring optimal results. The food processor comes with several attachments, including a chopper, blender, juice extractor, citrus juicer, and a French fry disc. These attachments allow you to perform a wide range of tasks such as chopping vegetables, blending smoothies, extracting juice from fruits and vegetables, juicing citrus fruits, and even making French fries. One notable feature of the Braun 12-in-1 food processor is its German engineering. Braun is a well-known brand that is recognized for its quality and precision in manufacturing kitchen appliances. The food processor is made in Europe, and with German engineering, you can expect durability, reliability, and efficient performance. Overall, the Braun 12-in-1 multifunctional food processor offers a comprehensive solution for various food preparation needs. Its range of attachments and dual control technology make it a versatile and convenient tool to have in the kitchen.